Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on the Nokia 105. First things first, let's head over to the menu and then come up to the clock here and let's select into that. Then the very first option is set alarms. On the Nokia 105 you can set up to 5 separate alarms. So let's set alarm 1. As you can see, it's currently off, so let's enter that. And in the first column you can select the hours, and in the second column you can select the minutes. Once you're happy, you press the middle button to press OK, and then you choose between AM or PM. So let's keep it AM, and then again once you've selected AM or PM, press the middle button and the alarm will be set. You can go back into the alarm and you can either adjust it, you can turn the alarm off, or you can repeat the alarm. You can repeat the alarm once, or you can come down to select repeat alarm and then select the days. So if you want it to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Then you want to press done. It'll ask you to save changes, you press yes. Now that alarm will be repeated Monday to Friday, and the alarm will go off at 10:04 AM. So that is how to set an alarm, and as you can see here on the home screen, this little symbol here will let you know that you have an alarm set. So that is how to set an alarm on a Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.